Hello there. Today I'm going to show you a really easy and fun, simple buttercream technique for decorating your cakes. All you will need is a small palette knife, such as this, and an iced cake. All right, let's get started. You're going to hold the knife with the back side facing the cake. You're actually going to grab it high up on the knife with your index finger resting against the inside of the knife. And you're gonna start on the top edge of the cake. And you're just gonna glide it right on the edge of the frosting. You're not gonna press real hard. And very slowly you're gonna go around. You should not be collecting any frosting on your knife. You're just kind of putting a dent into it. When you get back to the beginning where you started, you're going to gradually lower your knife on the cake until you find the bottom edge of your last impression. You're just going to spiral down the whole cake. Very slowly, very easily. If frosting starts to build up on your knife, a little bit of frosting, which it can, just take that little bit of excess frosting, wipe it on a bowl, on the edge of a bowl or a napkin, and then continue on. And you can see I'm just spiraling down, following the guide from the impression I had just made on the previous round. As you get close to the bottom, you'll kind of edge your knife away and tilt it a little bit until there's really nothing more. And that's it. I'm gonna clean my knife. If you don't like these little chunks, you can just scoop them up. And if you see a place where there's like here we go. In a situation like this, if there's a little divot, just go over it very gently a couple times until the frosting smooths out. Look at that. Easy squeezy.